content creators, listen. You can't follow everybody. Everybody is not meant to be followed. You know, that's what we gotta get out of the habit of thinking everybody is meant to be followed. Everybody's not meant to be followed. It's a lot of people will say, follow me and I'll follow you back. Then soon you follow them, those people or that person. A couple of weeks later, they done unfollowed you because they really just wanted that follow so they can get stars or, you know, so they can get some type of, be monetized in some type of way. So you got to watch out for people like that. And remember, when you go and follow someone, you add to whatever drama that's going on their feed, you know, because their followers start following you. You might not want that drama, because I don't got time for drama. I'm allergic to it. I break out in hives. I can't deal with no drama. I don't deal with drama on my page. So you can't entertain it. None of that. And you got to, when you going to follow someone, just go on their page before you hit that follow button. Go on their page and see what type of people follow them. You know, look at a few of their videos and reels and see their comments and, you know, things of that nature. Their lives, if they still available, stuff like that, and just look at the feedback that they get. Then you will know what type of following they have. You might not want no part of that because it'd be like so much stuff always going on, a whole bunch of drama and stuff like that. Remember, you'll be, that package will be coming over to you then. Then you have to deal with all that mess, or you will start having to block people. It's just extra work, extra unnecessary work. So you gotta watch that. Follow you back. Because if you realize something, just take a look at this. Look into this. When you go on the big people sites, pages that have hundreds of thousands of followers or millions of followers, look at their following. They don't follow nobody back. They have zero following. They don't follow people back, or it's very low. They have hundreds of thousands of followers, but they following, which who they follow is like maybe less than 100 people. So that should tell you something. They don't do all of that. Some of them, a lot of them have zero. They don't follow nobody back, because what they do, they already have hundreds of thousands. Some of them millions of followers. So what they do is, say you might be one of their friends and they might like you or whatever, they'll promote you on their platform. Go and follow so-and-so. Like me, for instance, you know, go and follow, you know, Lawrence Plus 3, you know, go and follow Urban and Variety Plus, you know, LLC. They'll promote you like that. And then their following will start following you, and your account will start going up because they're telling their people to follow you. You good people, such and such. But they in turn is not following you. No. They in turn not following you, but they get in their people. They're promoting you on their page. That's why a lot of them have different promotions, and, you know, to get their subscribers or their fan base to follow you. So, but if you notice, they don't be having all of these following. They have zero. So That's what I'm telling you, because they'll tell you they like their stuff to be organic. People is following them that want to follow them. They ain't following them back. They ain't saying follow me and I'll follow you back. They don't have to put stuff like that out because they already got a big following. So you got to be careful with that. You know, you can get on one of their promotions so their people can start following you, but all of this follow me and I follow you, I don't do that no more, because I already see that a lot of people unfollow you. They just doing it so they can get monetized, and then they'll unfollow you when they didn't get, you know, when they didn't got what they wanted out of your count. You know, a lot of them, they don't engage. They don't have no type of involvement with you at all. They just needed that number at that particular time. And that is why a lot of pages, the big people that have the hundreds of thousands and millions of followers, they'll tell you, you know, if you want to be one of their subscribers, and you know, you got all these rules in order to be in their groups and stuff. It's no follow to follow. They don't, you know, or you will get blocked if you start following anybody in this group. You will get blocked and stuff like that. So they don't go for stuff like that because they say you should. They will always say you should want your following to be organic. These are people that wanted to follow you. So that's why they're following you. It's not that they're following you because you followed them and all that, you know. It was because, you know, maybe you was on someone's page. I don't want to put nobody's name out. You was on someone's page and you was one of their followers, and they saying follow this person, they do good work, or let's get so and so numbers up. And you do it because of the simple fact, you know, you one of their followers and you want to be a supporter. But that's how a lot of them get their numbers up. But I'm telling you that if you want everything to be organic, you gotta watch this follow to follow all those people you don't want to be. It's like you don't want their smoke. You know, you don't want their hot dog and ketchup because they just too much. It just be too much ingredients come along with their following. It's just a bunch of drama. Some always going on their page. It's always a bunch of negativity. You read their feed, it's always some type of craziness going on. So be careful about all your following. So I just wanted to come up here so you can watch out for that, because it's just like when people say about like the stars. A lot of people be worried about getting those stars here. These people are so many a give a celebrity, or those people that have them hundreds of thousands and millions of followers. They're the ones that get all the money for the stars. Even though stars only cost 1 cent, people still don't want to give you that 1 cent. People still don't want to give you 50 cents. You know it. You know they be talking about you big. So I be saying, you know, I give thanks for when someone give me stars. I thank them if I know that they gave them to them, because sometimes I don't know what Facebook got going on. You get the stars and then you can't even see who gave you the stars, or it had been taken away. I don't know what be going on. You know, it's just like when you get a few pages and you will have some pages, it be restricted, and soon you get one page that's fully monetized, then another page is restricted. Facebook got some stuff on there. Facebook is act like they don't want you to make no money. It's like it's like they on a budget or restriction. I don't know what is going on with them, but because they love restricting me, they'll be like, oh, you can they give me stars on all my pages and branded, and I can have branded content, whatever. But as far as making money off ads and bonuses, they done restricted me on a few of my pages. It's just so doggone crazy. Talking about I promoted gun violence. I told them that I had 2 nephews. I put out there that I had 2 nephews that was killed through gun violence, or what affected my family. And I put the pictures of the guys up there. Before I know it, I'm being restricted, and it was taken off of Facebook, and I've been restricted ever since, not making money on those pages that it was on. And that is not promoting gun violence. See, somebody went to Facebook and reported that. So that's why I say you gotta watch your following. You gotta watch these people out here, because a lot of people don't want to see you get better, do things out here. Because the more followers you get, the more money you start making. Here comes the haters, and they'll try to do all they can to start hating on you and report you to Facebook. And it's sad, but how Facebook work is, it's like you guilty, and you gotta prove you're innocent. Not innocent. You ain't even innocent. You already guilty. They done already penalized you, then restricted you, then did everything, and then they done pulled the content. It's hard for you to even reach them. Customer service is horrible. It's just real, I'm real big on customer service, and when the customer service is bad, Facebook customer service is terrible. You can't never reach nobody. It's just so hard to reach somebody to even talk about what is going on. Why did you do this, or why did you do that? It's not right. I ain't do nothing. It's like every time they give you something, then they take it away somewhere else. It's like a teaser. I'm gonna give you this, but I'm gonna take this away. Well, hell, how about take it all away? Because